In this Google Sheets tutorial, I will show you a simple way to rotate jobs automatically using array formulas. Let's get started. In column A, we have serial numbers from 1 to 5. In column B, we have our list of jobs. We also have 5 members listed in cells B9 to B13. So we have 5 jobs that will rotate between 5 people. First, let us count the total number of jobs. In cell C1, type equal count the B2, B6. This tells Google Sheets how many jobs we need to rotate. Next, we will build the rotation pattern using a circulant matrix. This simply means that each row is a shifted version of the previous row, giving us a smooth and fair rotation. In cell C2, enter this formula. Move sequence 1, 5 plus sequence 5 minus 2, 5 plus 1. Sequence creates row and column numbers, and mode makes the numbers loop back to 1 after reaching 5. This instantly creates our rotation matrix. Now let us turn those numbers into job names. In cell C9, type equal XLOOKUP. The search key is the circulant matrix. Lookup range is the serial numbers. Result range is the job names. This looks up each number and returns the matching job from column B. And we are done. Your table now rotates job automatically. Each person gets a different job every day, and the cycle restarts when it completes. No manual updates required. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and comment below on how you plan to use this rotation method. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.